So good morning class 11th students. We are doing sets and today we will discuss exercise 1.3. So I will quickly go on all the questions. I am sure you must have tried the questions. Look at the first question. Make correct statement by filling in symbol subset or not a subset. 2, 3, 4 is a subset of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes, it is. A, B, C is a subset of B, C, D. No, because A, B, C is not there in B, C and D. X is the student of class 11th of your school and X is the student of your school. Then it is a subset because 11th class is in the school. X is the circle in the plane. X is a circle in the plane with radius 1 unit. Now all the circles, it should be other way around. यूनिट सर्कल हुआ, रेडियस 1 यूनिट मतलब यूनिट सर्कल भी एक सर्कल है, तो यूनिट सर्कल इज अ सबसेट ऑफ ऑल द सर्कल्स, बट इट इज गिवन द अदर वे अराउंड, तो इसको सुपर सेट बोलते हैं, सबसेट नहीं बोलते, ठीक है. सो वी आर दिस इज नॉट अ सबसेट, इट इज अ सुपर सेट. ओके, x is a triangle in a plane, x is a rectangle in the plane, it's not a subset. X is equilateral triangle, x is triangle in the same plane, it is a subset. X is even natural number 2, 3, 4. X is an integer. Yes, all even natural number are integer. Subset. Examine whether the following statements are true or false. AB is not a subset of BCA. False, because it is a subset. AE is a subset of X is a vowel in the English alphabet. It is a subset, no doubt. 1, 2, 3 is a subset of 1, 3, 5. No. A is the subset of ABC. So yes, A is the element of ABC. This is false because elements and subset are totally different things. Okay, so this is very important that you understand this question. Second part, fifth part. A is element. A is element of ABC. This is absolutely false because this is a set containing A. A belongs to ABC. This is true. Okay, but this one is false. X is the even natural number less than 6. What are the even natural number less than 6? 2, 4, right? And X is a natural number which divides 36. So divide 36 मतलब 1, 2, 3 and 6. So this is not a subset because 4 is not here. Okay, not a subset. Right? Even natural number less than, yes. Question number 3. Let A be a set. Now this is a very important question, so pay attention to this one. Question number 3 is a very important one, and I'm sure when you try these kind of questions, you will enjoy them if you understand. Okay. So the question is third A. A एक सेट है. अब देखना सेट में क्या क्या आ रहा है. 1 तो अलग है, 2 अलग है, 2 अलग है, लेकिन 3 और 4 है ना. दिस इज वन एलिमेंट, पूरे एक एलिमेंट है ये, मतलब सेट के अंदर एक सेट दे रखा है, वो एक एलिमेंट है. तो इसको अपन थोड़ी देर के लिए कुछ मान सकते हैं, जैसे कि बी मान लो थोड़ी देर के लिए, 3, 4 और ये 5 है, ठीक है. सो आई एम री राइटिंग एवरीथिंग एंड आई एम राइटिंग 1, 2, बी एंड 5. ओके, ऐसे कर लेते हैं. नाउ दिस इज इजी. हाउ, क्या बोलते हैं, 3, 4 belongs to A. अभी बोल रहा है इज अ सबसेट ऑफ A. नो ना, 3, 4 क्या था, 3 ये जो सेट था ये तो B था. B इज अ सबसेट ऑफ A. नो, अगर ऐसे देता ना B अंदर एंड देन इट इज सबसेट ऑफ A. यस, so I think this is option number 3. ठीक है. एंड ऑप्शन नंबर 2 क्या रखा है, B belongs to A. दिस इज ट्रू बिकॉज देखो ये जो B की जगह क्या लिखेंगे, 3, 4 belongs to A. This is true, but this one is false. अगर अपन ऐसे बोलते हैं 3, 4 is a subset of A, क्योंकि ये तो एलिमेंट है A का. अब इस एलिमेंट के आगे भी अगर सेट लगा देते हैं थर्ड में जैसे किया है, तो वो ट्रू हो जाएगा. सो फर्स्ट इज फॉल्स, सेकंड इज ट्रू, थर्ड इज ट्रू. ओके, 1 इज एलिमेंट ऑफ A. बिल्कुल सही है, 1 एलिमेंट है A का. 1 इज सबसेट ऑफ A. नो. 1 to 5 इज एलिमेंट इज अ सबसेट ऑफ A. हाँ ये सही है, क्योंकि इसने 1, 2 और 5 को सेट बना करके दिया है. देन इट इज सबसेट ऑफ A. यस. 1 to 5 belongs to A. That is false because ये तो एलिमेंट्स हैं. 1 2 3 is a subset of A. 3 तो है ही नहीं, because 3 is inside the set. 3 is not separate, तो इसको पूरे को एक एलिमेंट काउंट करना पड़ेगा. We cannot separate 4 and 3. That is wrong. So this is false. Right? 1 2 3. Where is that one? Yeah. 8th one is false. 5 is element of A. 5 तो एक सेट होता है. 5 is a set. Okay. 5 set theory में 5 is a set. This is not an element. This is a set. So this one is false. 5 is subset of A. This is true. 5 is subset of A. This is true. And 5 अंदर अगर ऐसे करें, this is false because 5 is a set. 5 is a set. Now you cannot. This means there is one element. So this is not a subset. Okay. अगर यहाँ पर एक 5 होता ना ऐसे, तब ये सबसेट होता, लेकिन ये तो 5 को भी एक सेट में अगर आपने पुट कर दिया, then it is not a subset. So 11th one is false. Write down all the subsets of the following sets. So you can write the formula is 2 to the power n. What is the formula? 2 to the power n. Those are the number of subsets. And subset लिखने का तरीका, you have to write every element. You have to write every element. Okay. So that is the method. So understand. I will just tell you how to write this. Okay. So pay attention. This one, if you don't know, this is our question number 4. What is the answer to the question number 4? The question says write down all the subsets of A. A का सबसेट क्या होता है? इसका तो एक ही है. एक तो 5 तो सबका है और एक A है. And you can also write like this. There is one element, so 2 to the power 1. दो सबसेट होंगे. And what are they? This one. A B. A B के सबसेट्स क्या होंगे? You can write A. You can write B. You can write AB. You can write 5. और वैसे भी 2 का स्क्वायर क्या होता है? 4. 1 2 3 ये तो रहेगा 8 एलिमेंट्स. अब 5 एक बार देखते हैं. 5 का सबसेट क्या है? 5 का सबसेट 5 ही है. Only one, because this is 2 to the power 0. 5 has no element, so there is only one subset. So 5 का subset 5 है. How many elements has PA if A is equal to 5? That we have already answered. One element. पावर सेट में एक आ जाएगा. पावर सेट देखो क्या होता है. अगर A 5 है, तो पावर सेट क्या बनेगा? पावर सेट ऑफ A वो बनेगा 5 is taken inside like this. This is 2 to the power 0, that is 1. So power set A में कोई भी एलिमेंट नहीं है क्योंकि A 5 है. 5 मतलब null set, empty set. But power set of A में एक एलिमेंट है, that is why this can also be written like this. एक एलिमेंट आ गया. Right? How many? Write the following as intervals. Write the following as intervals. Now I have already told you open interval, close interval, half open, half closed. Okay. These are subsets of real numbers. There are infinitely many numbers between them. What are they? 6 1. -4 included है क्या? इक्वल साइन लगा क्या उस पे? नहीं लगा. Open. 6 पे closed. Second. -12 open. -10 open. Third. 0 closed. 7 open. Fourth. 3 closed. 4 closed. This is closed. This is open. Half open. Half closed. Now write the following in set form. Same he is asking. So you can write first one as 7th first one. You can write x such that x belongs to R and -3 से लेकर के 0 और दोनों में इक्वल साइन नहीं लगेगा. Strict. Similarly, next one you can write. I am writing here only. 6. This is equal. 12. Both equal. Next one 6 open. X closed. Next one -23 closed. X open. Right? Those are some of the Answers of question number 7. What universal set would you propose for each of the following? Universal set is a set which contains all the sets that we are talking about as a family. Means all the sets that in a particular context we are talking about, they are in that particular set. तो ये बोलते हैं set of right triangles के लिए, so we can say the universal set is a set of all triangles. The set of isosceles triangle, we can suggest set of all. Again, can we say for both of them we can suggest, because हाँ ये ऐसे पूछा राइट ट्राइंगल्स के लिए और आइसोसेलेस ट्राइंगल के लिए एक ही आप यूनिवर्सल सेट बताओ, so we can say that set of triangles is the set of universal set that is containing both these sets. Given the sets 1 A, B and C, which one of the following will be considered universal set of the following? अब यहाँ देखो क्या है 1 3 5 2 4 6 0 2 4 6 8, तो ऐसा देख लो 0 से लेकर 10 तक. थर्ड वन कैन बी कंसिडर्ड because so 9 का third part हो सकता है universal set, right? So I think that exercise is over. Now we can come to Venn diagram and some operations. Okay, I'll just introduce this topic, and then you can, what you can do is you can go through this. Is very important that you go through all the examples here till example number 18. They are very important. What are Venn diagram? Venn diagram was given by an English logician. His name was John Venn. जॉन वैन ने एक इंपॉर्टेंट टेक्निक दी है लॉजिक में, ठीक है. जब आप कोई कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्जाम की तैयारी करते हो तो भी ये वेन डायग्राम बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. बेसिकली ये लॉजिक स्टेटमेंट से रिलेटेड होता है. लॉजिक इज बेसिकली अगेन अ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट branch of mathematics, okay, and physics also. So and logic gets, and based on logic is our all computers, right? So we are talking about Venn diagrams. John Venn, an Englishman, gave this idea of Venn diagrams. So what are Venn diagrams? Basically it is how you represent certain sets, okay, sets or logic statements. Sometimes even logic statements can be represented by Venn diagram. For example, they might represent universal set with a square like this. Small different sets can be represented by circles this way, right? So there might be different circles like this, and these are Venn diagrams. VENN, named after John Venn. Now Venn diagrams, before that you will understand some operations on sets. So we have two operations, one is union and another is intersection. These are two basic operations. Union का example और intersection का example मैं जल्दी से देता हूँ, then we can just ask you to read the chapter. Suppose इसमें दो एलिमेंट है 1 2 3, ठीक है, और दूसरे वाले में है सपोज करो 3 4 5. तो पहले इंटरसेक्शन देख लो. इंटरसेक्शन मतलब कॉमन, तो दोनों में कॉमन क्या आ रहा है 1 2 3 और 3 4 5 में 3 कॉमन आ रहा है. तो दिस इज इंटरसेक्शन. ओके, इंटरसेक्शन. एंड यूनियन जो होता है वो इस तरह से होता है, ए यूनियन बी. यूनियन में इंटरसेक्शन बस एक बार लिखा जाएगा, एवरीथिंग इज रिटन 1 2 3 4 5. So I have written 1 2 3 4 5. 3 is not repeated, 3 is written one time. So this is union and this is intersection, ठीक है. तो बाकी आपको सब पढ़ना है and then we can discuss in the next class, right?